Did you know a 60-year-old woman once sailed into the heart of the British Empire and walked out with everything she demanded? Grace O'Malley spent decades commanding warships along the Irish coast. She raided English vessels, defied colonial rule, and built a reputation that made powerful men fear her name. Then the English arrested her sons. So in 1593, she sailed to London, not to beg, to negotiate. She was brought before Queen Elizabeth I, the most powerful ruler in Europe. And when the court expected her to bow, Grace refused. She considered herself a queen in her own right, and she would not kneel to another. They spoke to each other in Latin, two women at the center of an empire neither fully controlled, working through their differences word by word. Grace had nothing to offer but nerve. It was enough. She left with her sons freed and her fleet formally recognized. Elizabeth had every advantage, but Grace O'Malley walked in without fear, and that changed everything.